Right, so basic calculator, number one, create a public class called calculator. So let's start off with a public class, calculator. Okay. Inside of the class, create a calculator constructor. Next, create a public method that returns A and B. So just underneath this over here, we're going to start off with a public method, int add, and assign it two parameters, int A, int B, and then we're going to return A plus B. And next, we're going to start off with a public method called int subtract. Assign it parameters int A, int B. And then we're going to return A minus B. Okay, so then we're going to start off with a public method, multiply, assign it parameters int A and int B. We're going to return A multiplied by B. Now next, public method int divide. Very same. Int A, int B as parameters. And return A divided by B. And finally, we're going to do int modular. Assign it the very same parameters. Return the very same parameters as before. Int modular B. Right. So I'm just going to tick all of that down. It's actually quite a lot of steps. Okay, so next create a main method. So finally we're going to create a main method. Works. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to take calculator. We're going to create a calculator object. Okay. So calculator, my calculator. I'm being very clumsy on the keyboard today. Calculator, my calculator, which is going to be a new calculator. And now we're going to check if our calculator works. System.out.println. Lost connection there. On Code Academy, it just randomly does that. So it's like parsing or something. So system.out.println. Then we're going to take my calculator. .add. We're going to assign the parameters 5 and 5. quickly print that out. Yeah, there's an error. The error is over here. It's supposed to be just calculator.add. Wait, the string maybe? Yeah, here's a mistake. It was actually right. So it's my calculator. And there you go. It returns 10. So let's check the other operators. So system dot out, my calculator, but maybe let's take subtract. So we'll just take 10. The first parameter, the second parameter is 5. Right, so if we have a look there you see, gives us the answer of 5. We can do the same with the rest of the other operators. System.out.println. This time we're going to take divide. So we'll just say 10 as the first parameter and then 5 as the second one. Then multiply. Let's take 5 and 2. First and second operator. I probably have some typo here. Yeah, let me just go back to my. So multiply, yeah, here's a spelling error. I'm typing. Okay, so it's multiply. There you go. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And then finally, the modular operator. It's not within the curly braces. Run that. Okay, so it gives us the remainder of 0. Because 3 goes into 12 4 times. And